What is FMS? A follow-up monitoring Google Sheet is a tool that can be used to track and manage follow-up activities for a specific project or set of tasks. It is essentially a spreadsheet created using Google Sheets, which is a cloud-based spreadsheet program offered by Google. The sheet typically includes columns for various information such as the name of the task or project, the assigned team member, the due date, and the status of the task. It can also include columns for notes or comments, as well as any relevant attachments or links. A follow-up monitoring Google Sheet can be used to track and manage a variety of tasks, such as sales leads, customer service inquiries, project milestones, and more. It can be accessed and updated by multiple team members, making it a useful collaboration tool. The sheet can also be customized to suit specific needs or preferences, such as adding filters, conditional formatting, or charts to visualize data. Overall, a follow-up monitoring Google Sheet is a simple yet effective tool for keeping track of tasks and ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks.